So welcome back to the channel, welcome back builders. Well, this is our first major trip with the Teardrop after the build, and we drove about 8-hour trip. And if you would like to know where we're at and the sights that we're seeing, stick around. So we ended up driving about 8 hours from Madras, Oregon to Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And we're in a little park called Zephyr Cove Park, and we're set up. So let me give you a shot around. Then we're going to take a walk across the street, and we're going to take a, well, I won't say a dip, but maybe touch that cold water over there at Lake Tahoe. All right, let's take a look. So we've got a nice little pull-through area for the Jeep and our trailer set up. So it's real simple. You can't get any simpler than that. A couple of chairs, nice little table set up, and here in a little while we'll do a little cooking. But we are set up, we're plugged in. I do have power running into the trailer to run the refrigerator and a heater inside if we need to at night. And also I've got a wire strung to the front for a battery charger. I am amidst a bunch of trees, so I can't run the solar. That is something I would have liked to have done, but not going to be able to do it on this trip. So let's head on over across the street. We're going to check out Lake Tahoe, and come along. So after about 8 hours of driving and a couple of stops, Jeep handled well, trailer just towed sweet dreams, you know. And I've got my youngest son with me. He's my cameraman tonight, and later on you'll get to meet him when the gourmet chef starts dinner. But right now we're going to check across the street, Lake Tahoe. Shoot that way. All right, good. How's that water?
Not bad. I sent a picture of the recording.
Well, if it isn't too windy, you'll be able to hear this, but it's really beautiful out here. Lake Tahoe. So we're sitting over here, lakeside, Lake Tahoe, and we're just kicking back after a long trip, and just kind of enjoying and just relaxing. So my son thought it'd be kind of fun to ask me a few questions off the cuff. I don't know what they are, so it's going to be funny. Maybe.
All right, first question.
All right.
What is your primary motivation behind your YouTube channel?
My primary motivation behind the YouTube channel, I guess that would have to be to inspire people to get out and do something that they otherwise wouldn't think that they're capable of doing, and just talking them through it, showing how to do things step by step. I think that's important. It'll get them going, motivated off the couch, out in the garage, and before you know it, you're out in the wilderness enjoying some relaxing times. And well, that's the motivation behind it. Is I just want to be able to show people how to do things step by step and give them the confidence to be able to do something.
Nice. What aspirations do you have for your channel?
What aspirations do I have for my channel?
Yeah, you've had your channel for a fair amount of time. Where do you see it going?
Oh, I have so many ideas, but like almost little time to do it all. I would like to see the channel grow, more people get inspired or motivated, and kind of watch the channel. But I guess that's not really my motivation. My motivation, even if I had 1 subscriber, is I'm showing somebody how to do something, passing along something that I might know that, I'm just sharing what I know, and hope people pick that up and it's usable.
You said you had so many ideas for your channel. So what's your next big project?
What's my next big project? I don't know. I never know until the moment all of a sudden those creative juices get flowing and I'll be like, I want to do this. I mean, I have some ideas, but none of them are really clicking yet to where I'm going to say, that's the one I'm committed to, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing right now, getting prepared, and when that moment hits, I'll know it's right, I'll sketch things out, we'll get the plans going, and then make the big announcement, this is what we're doing.
Last question. It's going to be an easy one. Can you see yourself continuing this channel long term?
Can I see myself continuing the channel long term? Yes, yeah. I really enjoy, one, I really enjoy building things. 2, the community that has kind of developed, a lot of friendship along the way. The people are very supportive to the channel. Yeah, you can't get anything better than that. So, yeah, long term, I could see myself doing this long term, only because it's something I really enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Okay, after a little time at the lake, it's time to start making some dinner. So we're going to fire things up, and the boy is going to be a-cooking. So what's your plan? What are we having?
Pork chops with sauteed vegetables.
Excellent.
Heavy pepper.
Back up. Sure.
It's a lot of vegetables, honestly.
Yeah.
Probably do 2.
Smells good. that boil off.
Huh? Yeah.
Good. Alright, after a good dinner, sitting by the fire, now it's time to go to bed. We have the vent open. Got a nice little heater going because it's supposed to be 39 degrees tonight. And it's going to feel nice. Looking forward to climbing into bed. Alright, well, almost bed. Pretty good night's sleep. Stayed warm, little heater going, and what I did is open up the top vent and I put that on setting number 2, let that run, cracked one of my windows about 1.5 to 2 inches. Little 350 watt heater ran, and it stayed nice warm in there. Got down to about 39 degrees last night, so I didn't feel it. We are now packed and ready to go. Last thing to do is connect the trailer to the Jeep. We're out of here.